Let's be real. Most people don't hate money. They just don't know where it's going. If you find yourself broke by week 2 every month, this video is for you. We're exposing 10 money habits that might be draining your wallet. And for each habit, we'll share how to fix it without giving up everything you love. It's time to take control of your finances. So let's dive right in. Starting with habit number 1, spending before saving. Most people get paid and treat it like free play mode. They spend, spend, spend until payday again. But here's the secret. Pay yourself first. Think of your future self and give that person 20% of your paycheck the moment that check hits. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $100 or $500. Put that money into a savings or investing account and don't touch it until payday. That way you have something to show for your hard work. To fix that, automate those savings. Have your bank automatically transfer money to your savings or investing account. You won't even realize it's gone because it's not going to be sitting there. When you get paid, that money is already out of sight, out of mind, and out of your wallet. Habit number 2, micro spending daily. Now, spending $5 for your morning coffee is not a big deal, right? But what if I told you that it becomes a huge issue when that $5 becomes $35? Over a month, you could be spending over $100 on daily micro purchases like coffees, snacks, magazines, subscriptions, clothes, and worst of all, you probably won't even remember what you bought. To fix that, track your small expenses for 1 week. Use a simple app or just a notes app. You'll be shocked at what adds up. After seeing that number, you'll start to notice these small expenses differently and naturally reduce them. Number 3, lifestyle creep. Did you just get a raise or a promotion? Congratulations. But don't start living like a movie star right away. Many people start spending more as soon as they earn more. If you go from $40,000 to $50,000 a year, don't suddenly change your lifestyle from eating ramen noodles to steak every night. The fix: keep your spending level the same for a while. Use the extra money to pay off debt, increase your savings, or start investing. By resisting lifestyle inflation, you'll have more long-term financial freedom. Number 4, not tracking where your money goes. If you can't name your top 3 monthly expenses, you're flying blind when it comes to your wallet. Without tracking, you're just guessing where your money goes, which is not a good idea. To fix that, take a look at your last 30 days of bank statements. List your top 5 expenses. This may sound boring, but this exercise is like getting an MRI for your finances. Awareness equals power. Knowing exactly what you spend on rent, utilities, groceries, etc. allows you to make changes where needed. If you don't know where your money's going, you can't make informed decisions. It's impossible to manage what you can't measure. Number 5, no emergency fund. One flat tire and you're borrowing money from your friend. That's not freedom, that's stress. An emergency fund is like a safety buffer between you and unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or losing your job temporarily. The fix: start with a goal of $500 and build up to $1,000. Having even a little bit can help. You avoid high-interest debt when emergencies arrive. Keep your emergency fund in a separate account that you don't use for everyday spending. This way, you won't accidentally spend your emergency money. Number 6, treating credit cards like free money. Credit cards are convenient, but they're not magic money. Swiping a credit card feels like getting something for free, but you're essentially borrowing money that needs to be paid back with interest. To fix that, only use them for purchases you can pay off in full every month. Here's how to win with credit cards. Buy something you would normally pay for with cash, but charge it to your credit card. Then pay off the balance in full before the end of the month. That way you get the convenience of the card without paying any interest. Avoid the trap of carrying a balance month to month. That's how credit card debt spirals. Number 7, not learning about money. You wouldn't spend 0 hours learning for your job or a new skill, so why spend 0 hours on your finances? Many people spend hours watching TV, but dedicate no time to learning about money. The fix: dedicate time to learn about personal finance. Read or watched one personal finance tip daily. You don't need a finance degree. Just a little daily effort can make a huge difference over time. The more you understand about money, the better equipped you'll be to make smart choices. Number 8, not investing early. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Waiting even a few years can significantly impact your returns. To fix that, start investing today. Open an account with user-friendly investing apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Acorns. Automate your investments so you don't have to think about it. Even $5 a day adds up over time thanks to compound interest. Time in the market beats timing the market. Don't let another day go by without working on your future self's wealth. Number 9, paying full price for everything. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to pay full price for everything without realizing there might be better options out there. Whether it's phone plans, insurance, or software subscriptions, paying full price can drain your wallet without you noticing. To fix that, shop around and negotiate. It takes a few minutes to compare prices and see what else is out there. Websites like Police Genius can help you find cheaper insurance, and services like Trim can negotiate lower bills on your behalf. Don't settle for the first price you see. Be proactive about finding better deals and saving money. And finally, number 10, not setting financial goals. Without clear goals, your money has no direction. It's like driving without a map or destination. You're just wandering around hoping something good will happen. To fix that, set smart financial goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to save money, say I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a house in the next 2 years. Write down your goals and break them into smaller steps. Having clear targets helps you stay focused and motivated. It's hard to hit a target if you don't know what it is. Okay, let's quickly recap. Fixing your finances isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Even changing just 3 of these habits can shift your entire future. Remember, small changes, big results. So if you found yourself nodding along to more than 3 of these habits, don't worry. Awareness is the first step. Give yourself a pat on the back for taking the time to learn and improve. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment in the comments. If you're ready to fix your wallet, I post real money tips that actually make sense and don't make you feel guilty. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you got this.